All right, I pulled the slides out of the carburetors. They were stuck, and cleaned them, cleaned the carburetor bores, cleaned the pilot jets, and went to put it back together and realized that the slides, which are now good snap, okay, real good snap, were being controlled by cables that were too short. And the cables didn't have these furls. I put these furls on. The cables were holding the slides open about midway, which started the bike with the stiff slides up here somewhere. The bike would have run away. So right now I've got good slide, good snap, and the bike is ready for a first start. Good snap. That's important, that the throttle and the slides snap down smoothly. Okay, so ready for first start tomorrow. I will hook up the auxiliary gas tank, run some gas to the carburetors, and give it a shot at starting it. We already proved that we have good ignition at this point in time, and the timing is set, so we'll see what happens tomorrow.